was a perfect day. After we went to the jungle, we hung out at the pool all day. Nothing to do. And now we're going to go back in the jungle and see what it looks like at this time of night. It's about 6 p.m. Let's check it out. See if we see that animal again. One thing for sure, there's a lot more sounds in the jungle in the evening. The jungle is a lot more vibrant in the evening, and I definitely do not want to be in here at night. I can only imagine what that's like. Scary. Let's keep walking. I'm walking as fast as I can to get through this jungle trail. The jungle of South America. It's a little scary in the evening, and it's very loud too.
Boy, there's a lot of sounds going on in the jungle, huh? It's not quiet, for sure.
Now that we're out of the jungle and heading back to the hotel, let's do fan of the day. So today's fan of the day is Roger Lamb. Check him out in the description below. He likes to hike in the Great Smoky Mountains. A little different than the jungles of South America.